Hello. Welcome back to the channel. I am Tyler from Emma Real Estate. Today I have a spectacular deluxe 4-bedroom villa to show you in the heart of Lamai, 5 minutes away from the beach. This villa is slightly different. It is in the bare bones of a construction, so you will see it raw and uncut in all of its beauty prior to its completion. So yes, as I did mention, in the bare bones of its construction, you can see the limitless potential available in this villa. Very similar to the villa from my last video, just in case you did get a chance to see it, we'll put the link in the description below. But immediately you are greeted with a large open kitchen, plenty of space for a communal area where you can have high stools over here, high stools over there for the perfect ambient setting. You have the master kitchen over here, already installed with tabs, with your microwave, your cupboards, plenty of space in your dishwasher, so on and so forth. The ultimate kitchen, ready as you wish. It is impossible to not notice your very high ceilings there, which give a much more open and wide space to your kitchen as you now enter the living area. Absolutely phenomenal. This is where you can have your elbow shut sofa, you can have your large TV on the wall with your overhead ceiling fan, with your Daikin power unit, one of the top brands of the entire island, and of course your window there getting natural light as if you have no shortage. Plenty of light and views available from this side over here. And what I love about this villa as well is that you have direct access into one of 4 bedrooms. So you may have 1 or 2 challenges noticing it here, but this beam that's standing in front of me now will be sliding doors, fully integrated into this area over here, so it will let plenty of light in. Behind me, the hidden ensuite bathroom that designed twin showers and water faucets that will lead us into the main event. The master bedroom. I love this room because you are greeted with all the lights and the warmth that Koh Samui has to offer. 5 minutes away from Coastal Bay, the best beach, again, that the island has to offer. You are greeted with 2 dual sights to see the coastal line and obviously the mountains over here, and all of the space that you wish to double bed, your furnishings, your overhead ceiling fans, your overhead lighting, your AC units. Absolutely magnificent master bedroom with a perfect view of your infinity pool. That'll be just behind me here, and then also your underground cellar to my left. So from the view you have now, you can see where the installation of the sliding doors will be. Absolutely large and beautiful, so it'll be a case where they'll be UV protected so they do not let penetrating rays into the villa to damage the furniture, but enough light where it will illuminate the entire room. This area here, very similar to our last villa with a space of about 5 to 7. This area, easily up to 12 people. Very large, long table here for those perfect family occasions. I will now show you the 2nd and 3rd bedroom of this floor. They are absolutely phenomenal. Again, greeted with the same view, with the same light and warmth. The view of your cellar, the view of your pool. Bedroom number 2, and behind me over here, bedroom number 3. I now stand in your privatized cellar, which of course greets you with this immaculate view. Point A, point B, it doesn't matter where you look, you have crystal clear waters on both sides, and of course a view of the entire complex. Outside of this, and also your large infinity pool. So as we approach the secret alleyway and we go down our final set of stairs to where the final bedroom is housed, as well as many of the plant rooms that you will see across many of the real estate across Thailand, and many storage spaces. These kind of spaces simply store your fuse box and your water boilers. You can either keep things here as well, but nothing of any particular significance or relevance in this room. We now enter the last bedroom. This, again, you can use or repurpose for whatever you wish. It can be a living space, it can be your leisure center, it can be your cinema room, it can be an extra bedroom. It is there for you to do as you see fit. You're instantly greeted by the views behind this way over here, seeing beautiful palm trees and light bouncing off the rooftops of your neighboring villas into the bedroom here, where you have a water source that would be ample space to be another office, another living space, cinema room, so on and so forth. Over here you would have your 2nd ensuite, and of course your overhead ceiling fan and AC unit as standard. This kind of space really does leave it purely to your imagination of what you want to make out of it, but you have ample space to do so. Another fantastic point I would like to raise is that there will be nothing erected at this bottom area here, only to your right hand side where there will be another villa developed. But you will not have an interrupted or disturbed view across the two coastlines, the mountain range, and of course the palm trees, and awash your neighbours down here. To your right hand side, you'll also see that plenty more villas among the compound are in construction, also available for purchase. Ladies and gentlemen, I am delighted to inform you that we have plenty of off-plan project villas exactly like this, or slightly smaller, that you see to my left-hand side over there, 3 to 4 bedroom, or something like this, 4 to 5, giving you opportunity to do whatever you see fit with it. Again, each of these villas has been touched with the perfect design of our architectural and development company that have won numerous awards across Thailand, and obviously from our past videos. If you haven't had a chance, we will leave the link in the description below, and you can see exactly what we bring. We bring you quality, we bring you excellence, we bring you a brilliant investment. Any questions you do have, please do let us know. Again, our information will be in the box below. Thank you.